Hi everyone, my name Hi everyone, my name is Koinsola. Today I'm excited to walk you through our brand new video learning experience at Tenalytics. We have redesigned how you watch, navigate, and interact with your lessons to make learning more engaging, personalized, and effective. Now let's jump right in quickly. When you open any lessons, right, click on continue learning. You would immediately notice our completely redesigned learning interface. You would see that you can now track your week on week progress, the lessons you're supposed to be watching per week. You can see that for me, I have 34 lessons to complete, and I've completed five of them. And as I progress into the course, I'm able to see how many percent of those videos I have actually watched. And you would see the overall course progress here at the top where you can see 5%. This is your overall learning journey at Analytics. Of course, for you to you need to get to the end, right? And when you see at your right panel, you would see we have modules, transcripts, and 10 AI. This is the most fun part about how you watch videos now. If you go to transcribe, you would see that you are able to quickly jump into the moment. This is very useful for when you're coming back or you're looking for a specific part of the video to watch. You can easily go through or skim through the transcription to see which part you're looking for. Once you click on it, it jumps you to that part of the video. Now, moving on to the next most exciting part of the newly designed um, video, you would see that we have the 10 AI. 10 AI basically helps you helps you to learn, right? You can easily summarize a lesson. You can easily ask to be quizzed on that lesson. If you don't get what the facilitator in the video is trying to walk you through, you can easily ask 10AI to explain what part is talking about. Now, I can easily come here and say summarize lesson, and you would see 10AI in action.
To improve key metrics.
You would see that 10AI, I got a response from 10AI, and this says this lesson explains how the data analytics is applied across three industries: healthcare, retail, banking, and finance. This is very useful for you. Now, if you now feel like, okay, this is not enough for me, I want to test if I actually know what I just watched in this video, you can click on quiz me on this, and then you see, great, let's do a quick quiz on this. And you say, which three industries does this lesson focus on? And I can easily come here and say, it focuses on the healthcare industry. I can say healthcare, banking, and retail. Let's see what NAI has to say. And retail. Let's see what NAI has to say. The lesson says it focuses on retail and banking and finance. You can see it says correct. And then the next question is, in the healthcare industry, what does the lesson say predictive analytics can help predict? So this is just a way that you can test yourself on each video. You can see how you understood the video. how well you understood the video as well. So this can easily help you to assimilate what the facilitator in that video is actually talking about, right? Another very important thing I want us to use well is this transcription. The transcription helps you to move and progress into moves as quickly as possible. Is especially useful for when you want to jump back into a specific section of the video, especially when you have watched the video before, right? You would see that, like I said, you have your weekly progress here, you have your modules, transcript, and 10 AI. Another important thing I want us to take note of is the streak count. Your streak count basically counts each day you log into the LMS and watch a video. You need to watch a video, watch one or two videos for your streak to count, right? There's also your experience point. Your experience point basically is how well you interact with your learning management system. For each video, you earn 10 experience points. So if you want to climb up on the leaderboard quickly, the best thing to do is to make sure that you're watching your videos. And another important thing I did not mention for 10 AI is each lesson in your video has 15 credits. Once you've exhausted your 15 credits on that particular lesson, you would need to come back after 24 hours to be able to move forward. So use your 10 AI credits wisely. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you would make use of the tool that we have provided that's supposed to help you watch and engage with your videos more easily on your Analytics LMS. Thank you.